Filipino films, right?
Of course, of course. Thank you for supporting Filipino films. Not a lot of Filipino films get to be shown commercially around the world, and especially here in the US. So thank you for your support. Not just for Filipino films, but all of us. Thank you.
Alright, but before we start, if that's okay, I'm gonna just thank our sponsors really quick. Okay lang sa inyo?
Yes, oo naman.
Okay, salamat kayo.
Pag hindi, paano?
Alright, so...
Kabuyagan po. At taga Cebu, classmate ka.
Napakaayon.
Hala, ako? Ala.
Paulo, ha? You're making it bad, bro. Be careful. Alright, so, shout out
Si Mick,
to...
baliktad, Mick.
Ay, baliktad daw. Kawawa, ano ba yan? Sino si Mick? Paulo, sino si Mick? Alright, so, who knows Red Ribbon? Who likes Red Ribbon? Shout out to Red Ribbon, right? At Red Ribbon, they aim to make celebrations and everyday moments truly special. The
Wala yung power talaga. Grabe yung power yun. Nawawalang power. Go na daw. Powerful. Powerful naman. BFF na tayo. Hello.
There you go.
Alright, parang nagalit ng Cinemark sa atin, no? Ang bagal daw natin. Alright, so at Red Ribbon, the brand superior tasting cakes and pastries are staples in most Filipino families and special occasions and celebrations. And who knows Chowking here? Right, bringing the best Chinese food to our customer. Today, Chowking USA serves not just Filipino community, but the local US market as well as providing a delicious and satisfying Chinese fast food experience. Now, who wants to see and hear from Kim and Paolo Avellino? I'm so sorry. Kim Chu and Paolo Avellino. Oh my God. All right. We have some questions here from the audience. You guys want to hear what your guys' questions are? Maybe your question will come up, huh? Who wants to pick?
Huwag na lang. Ladies first.
Ladies first.
Can you share a personal love story or experience that relates to the theme of the film? Kailangan ko pa ba i-share yung personal experience ko na yung mga minamahal ko, nagdi-disappear?
Let's move
Grabe
forward.
yung personal experience na yan, nakaka-offend.
Don't.
Pero ngayon naman may nag-appear.
Did you videotape that? Send that to me, huh? Send that to me. I'm gonna post that all over the place.
Grabe naman yun.
What do you think, Paolo? Okay lang yan?
Next question na, bunot ka na.
Ako sagutin ko rin. Sagutin ko na.
Sabi na yes.
Hindi pa talaga ako nakaka-experience ng pagmamahal. Ngayon pa lang.
Actually, wala ko talaga kayo papanoorin movie. Live po talaga siya.
Medyo masyadong serious yung question.
Pwede ba na mamili ng tanong?
What's one thing people assume about being an actor that isn't true at all?
People assume.
Clear skin.
Wala, kilala ka nila din.
Everything assume it's all about the glitz and glamour when you see actors or celebrities in the Philippines or anywhere else. But not a lot of people like how you see us. We're also normal people behind the camera. Especially me. I'm actually very private in personal. I like my work, the movies or the film or the TV shows I do to speak for myself through the characters I portray. And what else? Ikaw?
Sa totoong buhay kasi, marami na yung 1,000 words sa kanya. Yeah! Tapos, pero ngayon mga 2,000 na. Jet lag lang ng konti.
Paano makabilang?
Yeah! Sama kayo, jogging.
Ikaw, Kim.
No doubt yes. Now, next question na lang.
Sayang, ang dami nang naka-print. Sayang yung ink.
Hindi, meron pang bukas.
Oo nga po.
Hanggang Sunday pa.
What's your favorite fan encounter or message you've received recently?
That's a good one.
Ako, meron akong isa for now. Si Mommy, naka-wheelchair, pinapasok.
Aww.
Pagdating nakalakad, nakatalon pa. Nakatalon pa si Mommy. Si Mommy nakatalon pa si Mommy. Nakatalon pa. Ako yung pinabahan pa.
Isa pong puuan ng Paolo.
Mommy, would you like to stand? Let's wait to your ano.
Wait na lang.
Nakakot kayo. Iba yun.
So last one.
Yes.
Alright.
Ako na yung sumagot sa tanong ni Kim.
If My Love Will Make You Disappear had an alternate ending, how would you want it to go? Ano na? Ano ba?
Can we talk about it yet?
Parang
Hindi pa.
parang
Let's
spoiler na.
No, di
First
pa.
day pa lang ang showing.
Yeah. Let's go.
Pero marami akong alternate endings.
Anong gusto mo?
Panoorin na naman.
Have you ever had a real life moment where you wish you could disappear and start over? Wala. Because live life with no regrets. Because experience is the best teacher. It will teach you the lesson first before it will give you the test before the lesson. Hanggang doon na lang yung English ko. May jet lag.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna be back and we're gonna watch this movie together right now. Are you guys excited? Alright, guys, so let's give
Ay,
them.
groovy pa pala.
Groovy pa muna.
Uto pa
Oh,
pala.
that's right. Okay.
Can you smile na tayo?
Okay, guys, so we're gonna get groovy. So please, go over here and then let's see if you can do the first three rows. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go Carson! Let's go.
Again, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the film. If you have comments, whether it's on a positive light or criticisms about the film, don't be shy to tag us on our social media handles or Star Cinema. Sa kanila nyo na lang po ibuhos yung galit ninyo. But
Kapag
thank you.
kamag-anak kayo sa Philippines, spread the word. My love will make you disappear. Thank you so much.
Let's give them one loud welcome to Carson! Alright guys, thank you so much. Enjoy the movie.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you gonna name your baby
Paolo. Baby Kim.
Sari?
Oh, yeah.
Pwede rin po din.
Enjoy the movie.
Nakuhanan ko.
Tomorrow, boyfriend.